In the vast cosmic ocean where the stars shimmer like diamonds scattered across a velvet sky, far beyond our solar system, in the cold, dark reaches of space, lies a celestial dwarf shrouded in mystery, Pluto. This enigmatic world, once considered the ninth planet, for decades this distant world captivated our imaginations, sparking curiosity and wonder in the hearts of astronomers and dreamers alike, a mere speck of light in telescopes, barely discernible yet profoundly intriguing. Today we embark on a journey to this enigmatic realm, a voyage fueled by human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, a quest to unravel its secrets and uncover the truths hidden in its icy surface. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an adventure billions of kilometers from home as we set our sights on this distant frontier. Our destination is a world of stark beauty, with landscapes sculpted by cosmic forces, a testament to the universe's boundless capacity for wonder and the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. Join me as we venture to the edge of our solar system and ask ourselves the ultimate question: what if you traveled to Pluto? What wonders and discoveries await us on this frozen world? Pluto is a world of extremes, and perhaps the most unforgiving is its bone-chilling temperature. Imagine stepping out onto a surface where the mercury plummets to minus 230 degrees Celsius. In this frigid realm, the very essence of life as we know it would be extinguished in an instant. Water, the elixir of life, would transform into ice before it could even touch the ground. Survival in this frozen wasteland would be impossible without the protection of an advanced spacesuit. Gravity, the invisible force that anchors us to our planet, is something we often take for granted. It keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground and dictates how we move and interact with our environment. Plays a very different tune on Pluto. This distant dwarf planet has a gravitational pull that is only a fraction of Earth's. Here you would weigh a fraction of your normal weight. Imagine stepping onto Pluto's surface and feeling almost as if you were floating. A person who tips the scales at 70 kilograms on Earth would feel as light as a feather on Pluto. This drastic change in weight would alter how you move and experience your surroundings. Imagine the sensation of weightlessness, the feeling of floating effortlessly. Every step would be a gentle bounce and every movement would require less effort. Jumps that would be child's play on Earth would launch you skyward on Pluto. The reduced gravity would make even the simplest actions feel extraordinary. Walking would take on a surreal, almost dreamlike quality. Each step would be slow and deliberate, as if you were moving through water. Regular exercise would be paramount, a lifeline in a world where gravity has lost its grip. Maintaining muscle and bone strength would be crucial to adapt to this new environment. Pluto may have an atmosphere, but it's a far cry from the life-giving air we breathe on Earth. This tenuous shroud is a toxic cocktail of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. For humans, breathing in this alien atmosphere would be fatal. As the dwarf planet journeys along its elliptical orbit, its atmosphere expands and contracts, freezing and thawing in a cosmic dance. Imagine a world where the sun is reduced to a mere point of light in the sky. This is the reality of Pluto, a world locked in perpetual twilight. Pluto's distance from the sun is staggering, nearly 4 billion miles. Sunlight reaches Pluto in a trickle, a mere whisper of its former glory. Standing on Pluto's surface, you wouldn't feel the sun's heat, nor be blinded by its glare. On Pluto, time takes on a different meaning. One day on this dwarf planet stretches on for an astounding 6 Earth days and 9 Earth hours. Imagine a world where the sun takes its sweet time to rise and set. Our circadian rhythms would be thrown into disarray. Adapting to Pluto's leisurely pace of life would require a fundamental shift in our perception of time. Pluto, despite its harsh conditions, is a world of breathtaking beauty. Imagine a landscape sculpted from ice, painted in hues of orange, brown, and pale blue. Towering ice mountains, some reaching heights of 3 to 4 kilometers, pierce the thin atmosphere. Across Pluto's frozen plains, vast glaciers of nitrogen ice flow slowly, carving channels and canyons. Sputnik Planitia, a vast heart-shaped plain covered in nitrogen ice, is a testament to Pluto's dynamic geology. The sky above Pluto is a pale blue, a delicate hue created by the scattering of sunlight by tiny particles. Pluto is a world of profound isolation, a solitary outpost in the vast emptiness of space. It sits on the edge of our solar system, a frozen world that has intrigued scientists and dreamers alike for decades. Imagine a journey of almost 6 billion kilometers, a distance so vast that it boggles the mind. This journey would take you through the dark, cold reaches of space, far beyond the warmth of the sun. The New Horizons spacecraft took over 9 years to reach Pluto. It was a mission of patience and precision, navigating through the unknown to bring us closer to this distant world. Communication with Earth was a slow and arduous process. Each message had to travel across the vast expanse of space, taking hours to reach its destination. Imagine the feeling of isolation, billions of kilometers from home, the only human being on a world where no human has ever set foot. The silence would be overwhelming, the loneliness profound. Radio signals would take up to 7 hours for a single message to travel from Pluto to Earth and back. This delay would make real-time communication impossible, adding to the sense of isolation and distance. While Pluto may seem like a barren wasteland, it harbors a secret: water ice. Beneath Pluto's frigid surface lies a vast reservoir of water ice, a potential treasure trove for future spacefarers. This water ice could one day quench the thirst of human explorers, providing a vital resource for life support systems and even rocket fuel. But harnessing Pluto's icy bounty will be no easy feat. The extreme cold poses a formidable challenge, requiring advanced technologies to extract and utilize this precious resource. Space is a beautiful but dangerous place, and one of the greatest threats to human exploration is space radiation. Unlike Earth, which is shielded by a protective magnetic field, Pluto offers little protection from cosmic rays and solar flares. These high-energy particles can penetrate spacecraft and even human tissue, wreaking havoc on our delicate cellular machinery. To protect future explorers, scientists are developing advanced shielding technologies and radiation countermeasures. Overcoming the dangers of space radiation is a crucial step in our quest to explore the cosmos. Pluto is a world of diminutive stature, a celestial dwarf that challenges our notions of what a planet should be. With a diameter of just 2,377 kilometers, Pluto is smaller than our own moon. Imagine standing on Pluto's surface, the horizon curving away in all directions. The sky above would be a tapestry of stars, unhindered by light pollution. Despite its small size, Pluto is a world of wonder, a reminder that even the smallest of celestial bodies can hold big surprises. Pluto's journey around the Sun is a tale of eccentricity, a cosmic dance that defies the neat circular orbits of most planets. Imagine an orbit so elongated that it resembles a stretched-out rubber band. This elongated orbit means that Pluto's distance from the Sun varies dramatically throughout its year, which lasts a staggering 248 Earth years. At its closest point, Pluto basks in the relative warmth of the Sun's rays. But as Pluto swings back out to its farthest point, temperatures plummet and its atmosphere freezes and collapses. Imagine a world where day and night are not measured in hours but in Earth days. This is the reality of Pluto, a world that spins at a leisurely pace, its rotation so slow that a single day on Pluto lasts 6.4 Earth days. This languid rotation, combined with Pluto's extreme axial tilt, creates seasons of extraordinary length and severity. During these long winters, Pluto's surface is plunged into perpetual darkness. As Pluto tilts back towards the Sun, spring arrives, bringing with it the promise of light and warmth. Pluto, far from being a solitary wanderer, is the heart of a miniature planetary system, orbited by 5 known moons. Among these celestial companions, one stands out: Charon. Charon, named after the ferryman of the underworld, is a fitting companion for Pluto. Charon is not a mere satellite but is locked in a gravitational embrace with Pluto, forming a binary system. Pluto and Charon are tidally locked, always showing the same face to each other. It's a celestial romance for the ages, a testament to the power of gravity to create beauty and wonder. As we conclude our journey to Pluto, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. This distant world has revealed itself to be a place of unexpected complexity and beauty. We have explored its frigid plains, scaled its towering ice mountains, and delved into its thin atmosphere. But perhaps the most important lesson is a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the countless wonders that await our discovery. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of what there is to know about this distant world. Our journey to Pluto serves as a potent reminder of humanity's unquenchable thirst for knowledge. As we stand at the precipice of a new era of space exploration, Pluto beckons, whispering tales of cosmic wonders yet to be unveiled. Perhaps one day, human footprints will grace the icy plains of this distant world. Until then, let us continue to explore, to question and to dream, for the universe is vast and our capacity for wonder is infinite.